Hey y'all, it's Tammy, and I'm making an old favorite, congealed salad with the sour cream cheese topping on it. And today, I'm gonna make it cherry. We're gonna be using 2 packs of cherry gelatin, flavored gelatin. It is sweetened. You can use sugar-free if you wish. And they're 3.4 ounce bags of it. We're going to use 2 cups of boiling water. So I've got my water in a batter bowl. It's so easy. In the microwave. It is boiling. We're going to take it out. But it's hot. Hot. Smoking hot. And we're going to put 2 packs of gelatin in our boiling water. Cherry. Now you can use anything you want, but you're going to be using a big can of pie filling. So you could use blueberry with blueberry pie filling. You could use strawberry with strawberry pie filling, oranges with peach pie filling, whatever you wanted to do. Today we're using very cherry pie filling. Delish! Nothing's better with cream cheese than cherries to me. So I chose cherry, but you could choose strawberry. So you put the entire thing of cherry pie filling, or whatever pie filling you want to use, in Jello, the flavor, and you mix it in the 2 cups of hot water. Just put the hot water in your batter bowl in the microwave, and put it in there and turn it on until it gets to boiling good. Now we're going to add, can't leave this out, an 8-inch, not 8-inch, an 8-ounce crushed pineapple. Okay, we're going to add this. Don't that sound good already? Cherry with the cherry pie filling and the crushed pineapple. Now all we're going to do is pour this into I'm going to use something clear so that you can actually see the layers, because you're going to have a Jello layer with all this good stuff in it in the bottom. Then you're going to mix up cream cheese, sour cream, and sugar. And you're going to layer it on the top. But of course it's going to have to be good, cold, and congealed. Congealed, however you want to say it. I believe it is congealed. She just has congealed spread on top of the congealed salad. Okay, so we're going to put it in my container, this clear container. We're going to go ahead and pour it in here. That looks like a lot, but I'm hoping it's going to fit in this container. Oh yeah, perfect. And I'm going to buy a recipe out of the church cookbook, because I'm going to be honest with you, Mama didn't make this much, but I can remember having it, and it's really good. And you could probably get by with using one of the gelatins, in my opinion. She did blueberry. I know who this is. It was Shirley Honey. Blueberry salad. She used blueberry, blackberry, or raspberry Jello with blueberry pie filling. But today I'm going to use cherry, okay? Because I'm going to make us a blueberry cake for Easter. It's ready to slide into the refrigerator till we put a nice little layer of cream cheese on it. All right, we'll be using an 8-ounce room temperature cream cheese. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of sugar to go with that. And then we're going to add in a cup of sour cream. And that is going to be the topping on our salad. So it's going to be a whole cup of sour cream. So there's a 1/2 cup. A lot of y'all love this dessert. It is super good, super delicious, and the cool thing is it can be used with any flavor. And you definitely don't want to leave this part out. And so if somebody says, oh, I don't like cream cheese, or oh, I don't like sour cream, what would I do? Well, use one or the other and leave the other one out. Or if you don't like either one of those, just don't make this dessert. Because that's what makes it taste so good against this really sweet gelatin with the pineapple and the cherries. So it's kind of like a cherry cheesecake, just cold version. So if you start beating it up and your cream cheese wasn't quite room temperature enough and it don't look nice and smooth, just let it sit here for about 5 minutes. Come back and finish mixing it up. That's what I'm going to do because I want it to be pretty and smooth. All right. Now we're going to put this mixture on the top of our gelatin. And you're just going to smooth it out pretty. Y'all tell me what your favorite flavor to make this is with this dessert today in the comments. Now see, you got 2 pretty layers. You can also put a layer of Cool Whip on the top if you want to, like whipping cream. Are y'all ready to take a bite of this delicious cream cheese and cherry salad? I am. All right, so I'm just going to cut right here in the middle a slice to put on our plate. Uh-oh, I cut through a cherry. Let's see if we can lift it up out of here without making a big mess. Okay, y'all, I thought I'd be able to do that, but it's quite obvious I need to spoon it out. So let's spoon it out. A Cool Whip on it and a cherry for funsies. Yummy yum! Wiggle, jiggly, cherry, cream cheese salad. We had some fans show up. Y'all want to come in here and say hello? Amy and Keisha just appeared. Would y'all like to taste my Jello salad?
Yes.
Please. Get you a spoon. I want y'all to taste it too.
Okay.
And this one is a way back. A recipe from way back.
How far back?
Far back enough y'all have never had it.
Oh. Oh, goodness.
The cream cheese is on the top.
Yeah, I tasted it while you were going. I actually really like that. I thought it was strawberry earlier, like when I first walked in.
You can do it with strawberry.
Yeah.
You can
It's
choose
cherry though.
any pie filling you want. So you can use, it's a Jello flavor. I use cherry with cherry pie filling, but you can use blueberry with blueberries and etc. Strawberries. Do you like it, Amy?
I really like the
Top part?
Yeah. I'm a what is it?
The cream cheesy part is
Yeah.
what they like the
It's
best.
good. Yeah. Cherry's not my first pick for
The
but
cherry
it's
flavor is good.
for it because I wasn't expecting it. When you said cherry, I was like, oh, but I actually like it a lot more than I would.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Thanks for the recipe. And this is out of our church cookbook again. Shirley Honey. We remember her, don't we, Chris? Is that how you say her name?
Yes.
Thanks for watching Card Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Bye, y'all. Love ya.